Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying my videos. So, in today's video I will teach you a very easy and important skill from which you can earn good amount of money, and you can also use this skill for your own personal use. So, let's get started. So, in today's video I will teach you how to remove background of any image or photo, etc. So this is a very good skill, and you can sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. So let's go to Fiverr and check is there is any demand of this skill or not. So I am going to Fiverr. Fiverr is one of the top freelancing marketplace from where you can sell your services online and earn money. So I write here in the search bar, remove background. So you can see there are 33,855 services available, means 33,855 freelancers are giving this service. And you can see 1k plus orders, 626 orders, 1k plus order, 519 orders. And let's open one of the gig and analyze. So I open this gig and let's analyze his gig, which services is he offering. So just wait for a second. Yes. So there are three packages: basic, standard and premium. In basic package he will charge $5 and 10 easy images of 5 full body model images. He removes background. Means in basic package he will remove 10 images background. In standard package he charge $15 and provide 30 easy images or 15 full body model images service. And in premium it charge $50 and 100 easy images or 50 full body model images. So this is a very good service, and it is just a work of minute or 2 minutes or 3 minutes maximum. So you can easily learn this skill and sell this skill on Fiverr and earn money. So let's our Fiverr part is over, and let's go to Canva and learn this skill. So I go to Canva and I click on creator design, and here I choose custom design. So 500 by 500, create a new design. So it will appear in the next window. It is loading, just wait for some seconds. So that's it. So the process is we took a photo and remove its background. So I go into photos, and here we search model photo. I write here model, and we remove the background. So as you can see I pick this one, and here I choose set image as background. So it's look good. So I want to remove the background of this image. So I click on this and click on edit photo. Sorry, it's just lagging. So I click on edit photo, and it give me different option. So the option is BG remover. So it is a pro feature, and you can use it in Canva Pro. So I click on BG remover, and as you can see, it removes a background in 1 second. It's just in 1 second. So you can easily remove 100 images in 5 to 10 minutes and charge $50 from it. So it's a good deal. So work on it, and you can also change the background. Control Z, detach image from background, and first of all change background, and after that you can easily drag the image. So that's it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also earn money online. And I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.